Namaskar. Welcome to the Department of Education of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, Gujarat. Department of Education of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda is one of the 111 departments of this university, which was established in the year 1949. But prior to its establishment, the Department of Education existed in the form of Secondary Teachers Training College, which was established in 1935. So since 1935, this department has been taking care of the training needs of teachers, the research in this part of the country. Considering its research potential, UGC has identified this department as CASE, that is the Center of Advanced Studies in Education. And in around 1998, the ministry, HRD ministry, has identified this department as a monitoring institution to supervise and monitor the implementation of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, KGBV, NPEGEL in the selected districts of Gujarat and the Union Territory of Daman and Diu. Around the same time, this department also was identified as IASE, Institute of Advanced Studies in Education. And recently, in December 2017, under the scheme of Pandit Madan Mohan Malaviya National Mission on Teachers and Teaching, the ministry has identified our department as one of the two IUCTs in the country. IUCT is Inter-University Center for Teachers Education. This IUCT has been entrusted with a major responsibility of coordinating the activities of School of Education which have been established in central universities, and also conducting research across the country, developing material and many other things. So I welcome you all to this Department of Education, which is the Department of Education of the Faculty of Education and Psychology of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. We also have Center of Advanced Study in Education. We are also the Institute of Advanced Study in Education. We are also the monitoring institution, and we are also the IUCTE. Now at the present time, because of this COVID-19 over the globe, we know that the scenario has been rapidly changing. Even in education in general and teacher education in particular, we are now using more and more of ICT to reach out to our students, because now this is the need of a day. So considering this requirement and the lockdown over the globe and also even in India, we have initiated several web-based discussions, that is a web-based workshop, web-based classrooms and even web-based seminar. So the information about our web-based activities will now be available on this channel. I request all of you to please kindly, regularly view this channel so as to get information about the activities that this department is either conducting or is going to conduct.